Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to find the value of this expression 6 minus 4 times 6 minus 4. Ready? Let's get started. Now, if we just rush through it, we might say 6 minus 4 equals 2, and then multiply by another 6 minus 4, which is also 2. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. But hold on, that's not the correct answer. Here's why. We have to follow the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. That stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. It means we first handle parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. So, step by step, inside the parentheses, 6 minus 4 gives us 2. Now our expression becomes 6 minus 4 times 2. Next, since multiplication comes before subtraction, we first do 4 times 2, which equals 8. Then 6 minus 8 equals negative 2. So, our final answer is negative 2. And that's how you solve it correctly, using the order of operations.